Hey guys, welcome back to another Joe and Julie fast food review. Today we are staying local and heading to Shah's Halal, and we are trying, for the very first time, their Philly cheesesteak.
So stay tuned.
Okay guys, we are here and we are parked. I've got our Philly cheesesteak, which ran me a total of $6 even. Actually $5.99, but he charged me $6. All right. I got a fork. Why did I get a fork?
Maybe if it's messy.
I got some napkins.
Good.
And here it is, guys. The Philly cheesesteak from Shah's Halal in Hicksville. All right.
Well, we need a close-up, honey.
All right. Let me give you guys a much-deserved and detailed Philly cheesesteak close-up. All righty, and here it is in all of its Philly cheesesteak glory. The Philly cheesesteak from Shah's Halal. And check it out. I'm going to pop the top. We got the steak. We got the peppers. We got the onions. We got the cheese. It smells absolutely fantastic. And here's the second half. Same thing, guys. What else would you expect? All right. We're going to give it a shot and tell you exactly what we think. All right, guys. It's a little bit on the messy side, my love. Be very, very careful.
Yep.
Do you want to use the plastic as sort of a catch basin for all of the
might be a good
deliciousness that's going to fall?
idea. I think so. Okay.
Alrighty, here you go. And I'm going to take the other half. And I do understand why they give you a fork, guys. Because it's forkin' messy. Alright, first bite. Wish us luck. What do we say?
Salute.
Salute.
Meat's nice and tender.
Wow, beefy goodness.
And the onions and peppers really come out. You can really taste that.
Wow, the cheese, ooey gooey. The beef, very beefy. The onions, nice and sweet with the peppers. This all works.
And it's good too. The onions and peppers still have a little bit of a crunch to them. They're not really too mushy.
It's really good, nice and warm. And I do like the roll. It's not really as flimsy as a hot dog bun.
Got a little substantial to it. It really has a really good flavor.
It does. Wow, Shah's Halal Hicksville Philly cheesesteak. What do you think?
I think this is a hit. I'm really enjoying this. I really like it.
I definitely agree. It is a definite Shah's Halal knock it out of the park hit. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the very best, I'm going to give it, but what are you giving it?
I'm going to give this a 9. I think it's really good.
I definitely concur. It is a 9+. Knock it out of the park. Shah's Halal hit. If you guys are lucky enough to live near Shah's Halal, and I believe they're located in East Meadow and Hicksville, please definitely stop and try one of these. You will definitely love it. Well, we're going to finish this. You guys take care. It's a wrap for us. God bless. So long.
Really good.
It is good. It's kind of like the perfect size, too.
Mm-hmm.
It's not too unwielding, you know?
Definitely.
Yeah. Would you like some water?
Nothing.
I do like how the beef is chopped. It's really good, you know?
Oh, definitely. Ooh.
You know, when I've had steak on a roll, you know, you're pulling. You know, in this, you don't really have to, you know?
I know, it's just right. The
Yeah.
consistency.
Yeah. Mm. Mm-hmm.